Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this new video we are going to talk about how to start a YouTube channel filming videos with our phone. Many people are asking themselves that, can I start a YouTube channel using my phone? Actually, yes, you can start your YouTube channel using your phone and having thousands of views. From start to today, I'm still using my phone to film my videos, and the phone I'm using is a Huawei P9 Lite, so you can even notice that it's not an expensive phone, and so the camera is normal. So in this video I'm going to answer the question of how to film good quality video using your Android phone. And even though I have additional gear to my phone, I still try my best to make good quality video with just the necessary tools I have on my hand. So we are going to start. I'm going to show you how I'm going to show the setup with two different camera apps. So the initial camera app that came with the phone, and another app that I downloaded from Play Store that I'm using to make this video. So with that app, I prefer using the app downloaded from Play Store because it has different functionalities, so you have different opportunities to manage the camera. So I'm going to show how I set up my camera for filming. So actually now I'm going to show how to set up your camera when filming with your phone. So the phone I'm using is a Huawei P9 Lite. So in this phone we have several. So as I said, what I usually select when filming my video is the video pro mode. So with the video pro mode you have the ability to set it as a DSLR camera. So what I usually do, I set my camera fixed at a fixed position, and for it to focus directly on my face. Even though I'm doing movement, the camera will stay focused. So I usually change the light intensity to 0.3, and I change the light direction. So if I'm filming during the day, I will choose these settings. So these are usually the settings I choose when filming with my phone initial camera. So the second application I'm using to make my YouTube video is Candy Camera, and for you to download Candy Camera you can go to Play Store to type Candy Camera. So you type Candy Camera, and what I choose is this Candy Camera settings. So since I've already downloaded, I open it and I using. So this phone have different filter. So what I choose is CK01. It gives a good quality of image on your face. So but I usually film with the front camera when using these settings. So this is it for my filming setting. If you want to make videos using your mobile phone, always make sure your lens is clean. So the first thing to do before starting filming a video, always make sure your lens is clean. Even if you are using your front lens or your back lens, make sure you clean them before starting your filming. Using my phone for filming, I use the front camera. Even though the back camera has a good quality, higher quality than the front camera, but I prefer using the front camera because I like seeing myself when filming. If something is going wrong, I can easily correct since I'm using the phone. So the gears I'm using to make my videos are, I'm using a, 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 one metal long In this video, I am going to show you how I made it possible to rank my video in search. So ranking several of my videos in search and having search of as one of my source of views on my channel. So this video, so as you can see right now, I'm using the keyword explorer tools from tubebuddy to find the right title for my new video. And I started by searching for the first title that I was having in my mind, that is how to start a YouTube channel, but I saw that title was not favoring on my channel. So tubebuddy has a weighted and the unweighted keyword tool. So the weighted one is one that is based on your channel, how your channel is growing. So when I choose the first keyword, I saw it was not really favoring, so I look for another one that is related to it. So that's how I've been using it. After watching my analytics, you can see at the beginning, when you start doing videos, do with what you have on your hands. So don't wait to have a huge camera, large ring lights. Don't wait that. Do with what you have on your hand. Just press the record button and start filming your videos. I use my Android phone to make my YouTube videos, and I really hope you appreciate this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel